Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we'll be talking about manual frunk versus automatic power frunk. Let's get to it. So you press on the frunk, the hood will pop open. Then you use your hand to lift up the hood. That is the manual power frunk in every Tesla model. And don't forget to press down on the hood to close.
Okay, we almost finished installing the foot sensor and also the power frunk. So this is the complete installation of the interior of the frunk. We will just need to put back those pieces into the frunk and you'll be able to use. So let's go over to how we install this and the parts for it. We have the power strut and also we connected the battery. We also have our controller box behind the battery, and this unit here is a suction unit. That's only if the latch is either damaged or malfunctions, then you'll be able to use this function here. This function, you'll be able to pull it and it unlatches your hood. We also have this adapter. The adapter, we just swap the original with our harness and this for this side and also this side, and pretty much that's it. And also our client, he wanted a front foot sensor, so we installed the front foot sensor here and also on that right here. And he also have a lip, so we do have to have it installed outside. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple to install. So we're done with this installation, so let's go over how we'll be able to use this. So from here, you can use the button here to close.
And also you can use your Tesla app to open and close anytime.
Now let's go over to the screen. Okay. So from here, you can use the frunk to open. And also close using the frunk. You can also use voice from your steering wheel here. Open the front trunk. There you go. But to close, you have to press on the screen. So let's try this. Open the frunk. If there's other languages, you can also use to open the frunk as well, using voice. So we do have to go over the front foot sensors in order to use. So let's say you forgot to take something out from your frunk, so you have to sweep your foot. In order to activate the foot sensor, you do have to use the button or your Tesla app from the phone, or also from the screen to activate that, otherwise it will be in sleep mode. So after you take everything out, you don't want to press the button and you just close with your foot.
So this is the final result. The speed and the height of the hood can be adjusted during installation. If you want more of these kind of video, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. We'll be uploading more of these awesome Tesla upgrades. At Yahasan, we use Dr. Tesla. Very minimalistic, high quality kit for a quick 1-hour installation. Currently, we are only servicing in California. If we do get enough interest nationwide, we will be able to set up for you. Please visit our website at www.yahasan.us or text to us at 408-883-1999. We offer next day NORCAL Bay Area installation service. You can also schedule an appointment at our website. Make sure that you're going to Fremont, California for your appointment. If you like to join a waitlist to Oregon, Washington, Nevada, SoCal, Arizona, and Texas, please fill in the contact form from a website. After Frunk installation, your Frunk will be so much easier to use. Bet you will think of your Frunk more than your trunk. Leave a comment if you can. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you on our next video.